Do you want to enjoy fresh, juicy oranges straight from your own garden? In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to plant and grow healthy orange trees at home. Choose a variety suited to your climate. For warmer regions, Valencia or navel oranges are excellent choices. Oranges need full sunlight, at least 6-8 hours daily. Choose a spot with well-drained soil and good air circulation. Prepare the soil with organic compost and sand for drainage. Maintain a slightly acidic pH between 6.0 and 7.0. Plant your sapling at the same depth it was growing in the nursery pot. Water thoroughly after planting. Water regularly, but avoid overwatering. Use a balanced citrus fertilizer every 4-6 weeks during the growing season. Prune dead branches, remove weeds, and keep pests away using organic sprays like neem oil. Depending on the variety, your orange tree will start producing fruits in 2 to 3 years. Harvest when fruits turn deep orange. With patience and care, your garden will reward you with sweet, homegrown oranges. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips.